Good morning, everybody. It's a nice, beautiful day here in Michigan. I got a fresh dumpster. It's a lot smaller than the last one, but it should be plenty big enough for what we got left. We got some carpets here. Those will go in. Probably throw them on top after I get some stuff in there. So I figured this is a good way to start the video. I've already been doing some measuring and a little pre-cutting on this wall just to get a visual. I'm gonna take down the other side. I'm gonna see exactly what it'll look like. The actual opening will be fairly amount bigger. It'll actually come all the way out to here and to here. So this is going to be a little smaller than what it will be. It'll be a nice way to see if this is something we're totally committed to. So I'm gonna go ahead and see you on the tripod. So Charlie, what do you think about the yard? Is it dog approved?
That's just
Hey everybody, I hope you guys are doing good. It's a beautiful day today in Michigan. 50 something degrees, a little windy, but I went ahead and took the time to take these gutter grates off the gutters of the house. They were basically causing water to roll off and stay really close to the house and not make it down the gutters. And I also did a couple other outside things, but I just wanted to make a little quick update video. It is day 13, so just one day before 2 full weeks. Tomorrow's Friday, so that'll mark 2 full weeks since we started the project. The past couple days I've basically just been finishing up demo. We went ahead and removed the drywall from up here as well as the insulation, because it was just so rotted and falling down on me. It was better to just get rid of it, and I'll put some new insulation up in the ceiling. The rest of the insulation is still good. I had to take this corner bead off, so when I wall over this closet we can match that up nice. Also, I opened this up a little bit more. I went ahead, this was a big thing. I went ahead, if you guys remember, this wall protruded out maybe about 6 to 8 inches. You can kind of see on the floor right there. And they also left the 2 top plates all the way across. And to be honest with you guys, it was kind of a hack job, because they should have just taken that out. It wasn't a support or anything. It was literally just in there. So I went ahead and removed that, and boy, did it really widen up. Let me show you from this angle. You see straight out. I know it's kind of dark in here. There's no more protrusion, and it's gonna look really clean from this way too. So just really nice. This should have just be a wall and not a wall plus a little stub of a wall coming out to here. So took care of that, getting the opening prep to frame that out. Bathroom completely demoed. Ceiling, soffit, tub, toilet, everything's gone. Went up and down the walls, got all the nails off, vacuumed in here. So this is actually almost ready to start going back in. You know, obviously a little cleaning and a little more vacuuming won't hurt. So just a little update. Get back at you guys tomorrow.